Hi guys, Olga Flint here. So, I didn't see you a long time, was busy. And today I'm going to continue about how to teach your children Tamil and Hindi. If you're homeschooling or if you want to give them some extra boost while they are at school. So let's face it, yes, not all schools are the same and not all teachers are attentive, but you can fix that. So, for example, with the good materials like this book, where you can find, as I said before in my previous video, the letters that are combination letters and the letters formula that they are combined from. So this is when you finish this book and you know all the sounds, you can go to this book of the series and start reading simple words, 2-letter words or 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and keep practicing. Also, not only read but write them, and you can start searching their meaning. So you can also start building vocabulary with this book on Tamil. And for kids fun, my kid loves this book very much. So there is a book on Tamil. It's activity book. You don't have to know Tamil that well to use this book and see many activities. Even I don't know Tamil that well, but I understand, and what I don't understand I just skip, and we do, for example, different one activities. This strengthens their knowledge of Tamil alphabet. Okay. And they have fun with this activity books. My kid enjoys it a lot. And one book absolutely invaluable that I found, and it is for Tamil and for Hindi, for those who speak English, for English speakers, 1000 useful words on Tamil. At this point, when your kid finished reading 2-letter, 3-letter words on Tamil, you can move on to this book to build vocabulary. Okay? This book, which translates what is written in Tamil, and for Hindi they have the same book. It's exactly the same. It just will be Hindi language. And here under each word, English translation. So, and you can build vast vocabulary. There's also, after simple words, sentences that are translated into English from Tamil. So you can read and understand what you're reading about. Okay? So it's a great addition to your library if you are struggling with learning Tamil. Now, what I want you to understand that, of course, what we have to be looking for is to understand how the language is built. And for that, I found that you can take simple English books with very simple sentences and translate them into Tamil. And then, for example, I'm here, you are there, she is here, he is there, and start doing that to understand the structure of Tamil sentences. That you will remember pronouns and you will remember the endings of certain words, verbs, and adjectives that are changing according to the pronoun or noun that is used in the sentence, because in Tamil language there are such things as the feminine and masculine genders, and this is quite hard at times. And for Hindi, since we are just beginning, right, I found one material, one book. This is the book, Hindi for Beginners. It's absolutely brilliant, and this book shows you the letters, and not only how to the translation in English, but also how to pronounce the letters according to English sounds and how to write them. So to enhance your knowledge of Hindi alphabet is absolutely fantastic. Later on, after you finish all of the letters, they ask you to choose the letter and try to build initial vocabulary on Hindi. And then there are all the formula of the letters and how to combine words from letters. So this book has to be studied slowly, and you will build up very good initial basic knowledge for your kids in Hindi language. So for now, this is all. I see you all next time when we progress through our current material, and I give you more tips, and I will be posting a little bit to help children to start learning English language from my experience, and we'll see how it goes. See you guys. All the best. Don't give up and keep going.